Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today I'll show you how to create and delete user accounts in Windows using Command. Whether you need to set up a new account or remove an old one, this method is fast and efficient. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Command Prompt as administrator. To manage user accounts, you need administrative privileges. 1. Press Windows R, type to man, and press Ctrl-Shift-Enter to run it as administrator. 2. Click Yes on the user account control prompt. Now you're ready to create and delete user accounts. Step 2. Create a new user account. To create a new user, type the following command: netuser username password /add. Replace username with the desired account name and password with a strong password. For example, netuser John Doe my secure pass 123 /add. If you want to create the user without setting a password, just remove the password like this: netuser /add. Step 3. Assign administrator privileges, optional. By default, new users are created as standard users. To give them administrator rights, use this command: net local group administrators username /add. For example, net local group administrators John Doe add. Now, the new account has administrator privileges. Step 4. View all user accounts. To see a list of all user accounts on your PC, type netuser. This will display all existing user accounts. Delete a user account. If you want to remove a user account, use netuser username /delete. For example, to delete John Doe, type netuser John Doe /delete. This will remove the account, but it won't delete personal files. If you need to remove files as well, delete the user folder manually from users. And that's it. Now you know how to create and delete user accounts in Windows using Command. This method is quick, effective, and doesn't require going through multiple menus. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Fix Me Master, and stay tuned for more tech guides. See you in the next one.